beloved teachers, dear parents, and my dear students. Today we gather with hearts full of pride and gratitude to celebrate the 80th Independence Day of India. This is not merely a celebration of our nation's freedom, but a tribute to the brave men and women who laid down their lives so that we may live in peace, dignity, and liberty. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
As we celebrate Independence Day, we proudly remember the freedom fighters who fought against British rule so that we could live as a free nation. I just have one message to all of you. Technology is not our enemy. Misuse of technology is. Use your phones as a tool, not as a master. Use them to communicate, innovate, and solve problems, not to waste your precious time. Remember, behind every screen is a real human being with feelings. The name of your school, Notre of Holy Cross, reminds us of values such as faith, service, compassion, and sacrifice. Carry these values with you wherever you go. Help someone who is struggling. Include someone who feels left out. Speak respectfully to your parents, teachers, and your classmates. Small acts of goodness can create great change. A very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
So it is your life, your responsibility, your career. So you need to make a choice. To thank all our students who have come all the way from there to enrich this 80th Independence Day with your valuable presence and with your valuable march past. So a big thanks to all our students. And a big thanks to our parents, those who have come all the way and they have enthusiastically took part in the march past, so which is very much appreciated. And a big thanks to you all and to all our teachers. So thank you and God bless you. Jai Hind.